Hello traders! In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through our all-new TSC Infinity mobile app so you can get the most out of your copier right from your phone.
To get started, head over to the App Store and search for TSC Infinity. Install the app and open it.
When prompted, allow notifications so TSC Infinity can keep you updated on your copier activity and signal execution status.
The best part is, once your copier is up and running, you don't have to keep the app open or stay online 24/7. Whether your phone is in your pocket, the app is closed, or you're away from the internet, your copier keeps working. Whenever a signal is posted in one of your active channels, TSC Infinity automatically executes the trade according to your custom settings.
Now, once the app launches, you'll be taken directly to the login screen. Enter your credentials and log in. And just like that, you're inside your copier dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see your copier status, which tells you whether your copier is currently running or stopped. Right below that is the Overview section, where you can quickly check your connected Telegram account, the number of active channels, and your connected broker accounts. Next, you'll find your current subscription plan, followed by your trading summary. Here, you can review your signal activity across daily, weekly, and monthly timeframes. As you move down the dashboard, you'll come across the Signal Performance section. Here, you can track the performance of your copied signals and switch between different time periods for a more detailed analysis. At the bottom of the dashboard, you'll find your complete signal list. Each signal displays key information at a glance, such as the trading pair, trade direction, and the time it was received. Need to find something specific? Simply use the filters to sort signals by channel, symbol, direction, and more. Now, let's take a look at the navigation menu. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner to access all major sections of TSC Infinity. The layout follows the same familiar structure as the web version, so moving between devices feels seamless. From here, you can access your dashboard, workspace, signal history, news filter, Telegram configuration, and broker configuration. You'll also find your subscription plans, billing history, and profile settings, all organized in one place. Inside the workspace, all copier settings are arranged exactly as they are in the web version. You can configure your preferred take-profit levels, customize stop-loss and take-profit behavior, and access advanced settings such as keywords, execution rules, profit protection, modifications, symbol management, and time filters.
Our copier also includes a dedicated resources section where you can find detailed guides and explanations for every feature available on the platform. To make navigation easier, the resources are organized into two categories: Classic resources for our previous version and Infinity resources for the latest TSC Infinity platform.
For even faster access, TSC Infinity keeps your two most used features right on the main screen: Workspace and Signal History. Whenever you need to adjust your copier settings, you can jump into the workspace with a single tap. And when you want to monitor your copied signals, Signal History is always just one click away. You'll also find quick access to your profile settings from the bottom left corner of the app. And that's a quick walkthrough of the all-new TSC Infinity mobile app, the world's first mobile signal copier. So, share your thoughts in the comments below about the app. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.